Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Kwejer, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with Business Building Blocks episode 10 for 2023. Well, I'm going to start a new series and it's going to be about how to identify business opportunities. This is going to run for a couple of weeks, and I want to believe that you will be informed and inspired to identify opportunities if you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an existing business owner. You want to line new line of businesses to what you're already doing. All right, so the number one is turning your hobby into a viable business. This is where you find creative ways of making money out of your hobby, something you already love doing. Just like many entrepreneur stories we read every day about. Now, somebody who loves cooking, for us, can turn that into a cooking class, a recipe book. Somebody who is health conscious and loves to exercise can turn that into staying fit or a fitness business. Someone who loves photography can turn that into a business by taking lovely photos as they already enjoy doing and selling them to the various stock photos platforms, or creating an art gallery for yourself online. Somebody who is a writer, turning their writing business into becoming a ghostwriter, a guest writer for various blogs and platforms. Somebody who loves teaching can turn their love for children and for teaching children into a book, creating a book out of it, creating a tutorial, lessons out of it, and so forth. A person who loves arts and craft can turn them into a side hustle, and we all know it. A lot of singers were discovered online, such as Justin Bieber, who loved to sing, posted, the studios got wind of it, they listened to him, signed him up, and the rest is history. So in all these instances, it's about discovering an idea based on your hobby, something you already love doing, and packaging it right and finding people who are willing to pay for it. Now, the most important thing is how you be able to package it right. We'll deal with that later. But basing your idea around something you already enjoy doing is one of the surest ways of succeeding, because passion, enthusiasm always sells better than just introducing a product to the market. And people always can feel your enthusiasm if it is something that you love to do. And I hope this inspired you. Now, just before you go, as a business coach and consultant, I help people like yourself who want to start a business or grow an existing business in identifying opportunities, putting them together, and get the work done and get started. So if you need help, please don't hesitate to reach out. And also look out for the upcoming Business Building podcast, where we share loads more detailed information and resources to help you to start your entrepreneurial journey or to grow your existing business and other aspects of life as well. And finally, if one of your goals for 2023 is to become an author, the book writing workshop has been put together for you, where I share 10 easy steps to write your book in 10 days. I'll be sharing it on the 28th of January. It's online, so you have no excuse. From anywhere in the world, you can partake of this online workshop and start your authorship journey with us. Thank you once again, and I hope this inspired you. I look forward to coming your way again soon. Please don't hesitate to subscribe to the channel, like, share, let us know your thoughts in the comment section. God richly bless you.